Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B. We are continuing with our Breaking Math practice sessions. This is going to be on related statements. Now remember from the video, every time we have something like this, there's actually 3 other related statements in the family that make statements. Now one of the things that's going to help us with this is to build our little Tetris shape here. So I know that I'm going to have something that kind of looks like this. Woo! Okay, yes, I'm a real human being and not a robot. So I'm going to make my Tetris shape here and then just put our numbers inside it. 2 times 7 equals 14. Now the nice thing about this is that I remember this is always the same number, whatever is down the middle here. 14, 14, 14, 14, no problem. Okay, so I know that 2 times 7 makes 14, so I can reverse that and go 7 times 2 equals 14. Likewise, I can go break down 14. I can go 14 divided by 7 and 14 divided by 2. And I know that the answer to this is going to be the other number that hasn't been used up yet. So in that case, it's going to be just like that. No problem at all. Same thing here. Let's build our Tetris shape. This is going to help us keep our work in order. Okay? If 3 times 9 equals 27, poof, 27, 27, 27, just like that. I know I can switch the order of these, so that's my second one, and then I can break them down. 27 divided by 9 and 27 divided by 3, and my answer is going to be the other number. And the reason for this, once we get to really difficult division, sometimes we can whip it into multiplication and then find our number right away, even though it might be a scary looking division question, right? So this is a good system for us to learn with easy numbers so that we can be more efficient with difficult numbers. So again, these things are multiplication, these ones here are division, same thing, those ones are timesing, these ones are dividing. Let's look at the next questions here. This time only these ones are given to us, division. So I'm going to make my little Tetris shape again. This is my own habit to make it this orientation. 28 divided by 4. Okay, well first of all, what times 4 is 28? What times 4 is 28? Well, I know my times table is now that that's 7. 7 times 4 is 28, so I can reverse that. 4 times 7 is 28. And then that also means that I know my answer here is 7. And likewise, I can go like this, switch that order, and get my 4 there. So again, here's my timesing, here's my dividing, here's my entire family of related statements. Again, 40 divided by 8. Maybe I'll do it this way here. 40 divided by 8 equals something. Okay, that means 40 divided by something equals 8, and that means something times 8 equals 40, and that means that 8 times something equals 40. So I'm just setting this one up a little different here, just to show you my thinking pattern here. So 8 times what gives me 40? I know by now that that's 5, so that means 5 times 8 is 40. That means 40 divided by 5 is 8, and 40 divided by 8 is 5. So again, we built a whole family of 4 related statements. In this time, the division ones are up top and the multiplication ones are down below. Doesn't matter. What I tried to do, again, was connect it so that all these numbers are the same. And the reason I do that is to make it so that we have to memorize less and we can build a structure that will help us come to our conclusions in a more efficient manner. Okay? So again, once you know one thing, you actually know 4 times as much. So be proud of yourself. You actually know a lot more than what you might think you do.